Hey you guys, that's a lot. Hey you guys, what's up? What it do? How you doing? How you feeling? What up? It's your girl Jenna. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome to my videos. Welcome to my channel. I know you're gonna subscribe. Let me give you a second and then you come back and we finish this video. Go ahead, girl. And don't forget to put the notifications on too, sis. Alright? And while you there, you share this video with everybody you know because you love Jenna. Yo, I'm a best. Listen, let me tell y'all what's going on. Alright, you see this beautiful beat face? It's to go with a beautiful laid wig. I got this one wig off of Eunice Hair, like stupid long ago. I'm sorry, I just finished eating a sandwich, so forgive me. Like, so this is my situation right here. I do not know anything when it comes to wigs. Like, I don't know how to apply them. I have a couple of wigs, but like they're not official wigs. And I put them on and then I just put a scarf or a hat on top of my head. But I thought, no, Jenna, no. You need to do better than that. You know, there are people out there that are laying wigs so nicely that you can't even tell that it's a wig. Like lace wear. Hashtag lace wear. So we're trying to be that cute too. So with that said, we got us a Eunice Hair wig. All right, she's a lace front. She's in poor condition because I've used her before. Like, I've used and abused her. But when I say I used her before, I just put her on top of my head and then I put a hat on or I put a scarf on my head and I did. So I didn't wash her. I didn't wash her. I ain't comb her. I ain't straighten her. I ain't put no product in her. Like, she's probably like, who this? So I have this video for reference, which is Angel Blatty. I don't know if you guys follow her on Instagram and on YouTube. Follow her because, yo, content's popping. Like, I mean, most of her videos are in Portuguese. Slobber. Most of her videos are in Portuguese, but all you need to do is just pay attention to what she's doing, you know, so you don't really need to understand Portuguese like that. But she can lay. Oh, she did a wig for me one time. Like, she made me a whole wig from scratch and then she applied it to my head and her prices are amazing. She's based in London, so if you're trying to get the hookup, yo, holla at me. I'll try to connect you. I'm gonna insert a picture of the wig she did for me. Right? You couldn't even tell that wasn't my hair. Like, everybody thought that was me. Like, people asking me, did I cut my hair? Did I bleach my hair? Now, I don't know if you know how much hair I have, but no, I didn't cut it that short yet. I mean, I've cut my hair before, but not to cut it and bleach it. Like, I'm trying to let my hair be healthy right now, so we gotta live through wigs. And, you know, I see wigs and they're so fun. You change your appearance, you know, you get to be someone else for a little bit, and they just make you feel so good when you're all laid and beat and everything. So I just want to hop on that, you know. Okay, so this is our girl. And I have a couple of things here. So I've been paying attention to what the girls use when they're doing wigs, right? So I got a stocking cap. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and put that on. I got a stocking cap. Then I bought this for my shorty bae. I bought it for my shorty bae. She knows who she is. Talia, I'm sorry, mommy. I never got to send it because when I got this for her and I was supposed to send it, that's when this whole COVID thing started popping off. And she lives in Holland, and like, it was just being like mad annoying to send like liquidy products, especially this being a hairspray and everything. So I ended up not. And then I thought someone was gonna come from Holland and I was gonna give it to them and they can take it, but the person came without baggage, and so they would have to pay for baggage to take this, and they were like, nah. So that's us. So Dali, here we are. But I mean, she managed to get it out there in Holland, so I kept this. I've had this for so long now. And then Angel told me to get this, so I got this. Angel, you see, I listen. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it, but I got it. I got a little tooth comb. What else I got? And then I have my I was gonna say I got my vacuum cleaner. Yo, I'm a mess. I I got my blow dryer with me. Okay, so if you want to see a rookie attempt to install a wig, stay tuned, enjoy this video. You probably gonna laugh at me, get something to drink, get something to munch on, and let's do this. We're doing this together. And I'm gonna be watching one of Angel's videos just so I can see what she does and try to replicate, but I did my little jailbird braids. Don't judge me. All right, and I'm just gonna tuck them in my stocking cap, like this, comme ça. Like I'm trying to get like, yo, like my friend, like they be laying wigs, yo. Angel, Jessie, Kayla, y'all need to start giving master classes. I feel like maybe I should have done my makeup afterwards. Now let me tell y'all something. I went ahead and I cut my lace. I do not know anything when it comes to wigs, like before consulting anybody, because I don't know who I thought I was. Like I was walking, no, I'm sorry, I was running when I should have been crawling. So I cut my lace, and now I have a feeling that I cut my lace too short. Like look at that, I think I cut my lace too short. Okay, so am I supposed to, hold on, let me just put Angel's video on because I'm just trying to learn. She's so cute, y'all. Oh, go Angel. Go. Yo, she could lay a mean wig. She's using foundation for something. Oh, okay. Okay, so she's putting foundation on her lace. I don't have that much lace, so I don't think I need to do all of that actually. I don't know what this, I think it's called 4x4 if I'm not mistaken, something like that. That's how I ordered it, 4x4. And this thing is like pretty much the color of my skin, so I don't think I need to do that. So she put the wig on her head. She put the wig on her head. She did it so easily, so let me go on. Okay, hold on. And keep in mind, y'all, I got a big old head. Like, my head is so big. I hope this works as smoothly as hers. Where the wig at? Where the wig at? Okay, hold on. I need a mirror. Like, what am I doing? Who am I playing with? I need a mirror in front of me. Nope. I'm stacking books, y'all. Nope. Yep. Okay. I feel like I need to be putting this clip right here. Ah, that hurts, yo. Ah! I'm gonna put it in the hair somewhere. But you can see my hair. But I got like a whole ear situation coming out of my, Okay, this is not gonna stick on my head the way it did on Angel's head. How are we looking so far, y'all? But you see, I think like either this wig is not made for the size of my head. Like I don't think it's made for the size of my head because it's pulling back. Or maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on, let me see what else she does. But we're looking cute already. We're looking cute already. You better stop, girl. Yo, I think I cut my lace too short. She's using the same product I am in this video. She's putting, her wig comes like, she's putting her gel over here, like away from her hairline. And all of this is my hairline, so I can't put no gel on there because I'm not trying to rip out my hair. Which leads me to believe that this wig is not sitting properly in my head. So let's try it again. You guys, don't tell me I done fucked up my wig. I messed up my wig, didn't I? I cut the lace too short. Did I? Look at it. Like there's no... I'm a mess. How do I fix this? I need help, y'all. See, it's still not sitting in my head. On my head, I should say. Ow. Ow. Are wigs supposed to hurt? I set myself up for failure. I'm not even going to glue anything. I can't glue anything because this wig keeps pushing back. It's not staying on my head. Maybe my braids are not good. Like, I did the little braids and I try to tuck it in, but maybe it's not good. Like, this is not where the wig's supposed to be, right? I think this is gonna forever be one of those wigs that I have to put a hat with or put a scarf with. I think that's gonna be the future of this wig. Let me just get a brush and brush her real quick. Okay, you win some, you lose some. This wig was about 100-something pounds. I got her a while ago for, what was it? I got her a while ago. I had a little extra money. I don't know what it was, but y'all know I'm a single mom. Like, I don't have money to be buying wigs like that. Okay, I gotta pay rent. I gotta pay electricity. I gotta pay gas. I gotta pay water.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, hogs, dogs, chicken, turkeys, rabbits, you name it!
Girl. And on top of that, try to keep up with the makeup game. No, I cannot, no. Alright, so this is not working for me. So I'm just thinking, what if I did like, would you know that? But that's what kills me, like, because you know that it's a wig. No, that's unacceptable. Hold on. I see ladies doing like, they pluck. We're gonna pluck. Come on, I've never done a wig before, but I know what I want, what I don't want it to look like. Okay, hold on. We're gonna pluck some of the hairline. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me put my 2 cents in it. The thing is, my makeup looks so cute, so this needs to work. Like, I don't know what you think this is, but you need to work. I'm sitting here really acting like I know what I'm doing, yo. Dead ass. I hope nobody like looks at me and is like, yo, this girl is effing it up, yo. Like, can you imagine? It's my hard-earned money, yo. Alright, so that's how I plucked it. Just so it could look a little bit more, Damn, my elbows is dry, yo. Why nobody tell me this, though? Oh my God. You guys, I am embarrassed. So here goes one comb in. But see, now I feel like it needs to sit. I can't get this to sit on my head properly. Now we're gonna comb. Like, what do you guys think of that? Man. So like this, that's popping, right? I'm sorry, I keep looking over there because my screen's over there so I can see myself. Or let me just look in the mirror. Yo, that's a look. This is a look. With a little lip gloss? What? Okay, so guess what? This was a little bit of a fail because for various reasons, obviously. And I think maybe the number one is because I don't know what I'm doing. And I think instead of me trying to look online and trying to follow, maybe I need to work with, I need to go visit Angel or Jessie and just see how they do it and get them to teach me how to do it. This is not working for us. But like this, it looks cute though. Wait. Let me call Bay and see what he thinks. He's gonna be like, why are you wearing a hat? He's so disrespectful. You're wearing a hat on top of a hat. Go ahead. What do you think? You see what did you guys hear that? I said it. I said he was gonna say that. Well, you guys, the hat it is because I couldn't figure it out. And that's it. I'm a flop. Clearly, I need lessons on how to all a wig because I just don't know how to do it. Hopefully I'll come back another day and, wow you. Wow. With my abilities. But not today. Today I flopped before your eyes. I plucked her. I brushed her. I did everything I was supposed to do to her. It's not me, it's her. I'm convinced. But I think but she sheds a lot, yo. Like, this hair sheds a lot. Can you see how much, like, it sheds a lot? My floor is covered in hair. But then again, my hair sheds like that when it is straight. So, yeah, but it's a flop, y'all. I mean, we still look cute, though. Anyway, it's your girl Jenna signing out. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, whatever it is that you are watching this. And I'll catch you in my next video. I know by now you subscribed, but if you didn't, go ahead, girl. Okay, and I know you done subscribed already, so I can't wait to see you in my next video. See you later, girl. Or boy, because I don't discriminate. I love everybody up in here. We all family.